All right, we have Rafael here. Rafael, would you like to share your experience with us in terms of what we have
Yes,
done so far?
great experience. I just did my implants, and they, I feel so good now. I can chew. I was scared, to be honest, but because I went to a different place. I don't want to mention the name, but they just, you know, read me off. I'm gonna be honest.
We
But this guy, he's so professional. His team, they're so professional. They're so good. Don't be scared to do any treatment with them, because I recommend it.
Thank you
Truly
so
recommend it.
much. Thank you.
Especially, even my whole family comes here now because
Thank you.
good experience.
Thank you
The
so
best.
much. Yeah, so now he has his implants, able to chew, the teeth and the gums are feeling
Everything's
healthy.
getting better.
Now we are on the right track.
Yep.
Here we go.
Not just my teeth. My whole body feels different.
Different, exactly. Thank
Thank you.
you.